Welcome once again to Yoga with Om Learning Zone, and today we are going to talk about Surya Namaskar, which is sun salutation. It's a combination of various asanas and is a complete exercise. In the first round we will talk about how to perform Surya Namaskar, and in the second round I will talk about breathing. So let's begin. Stand erect, hands joined in Namaskar Mudra, chest wide open. Now slowly move your hands and then raise them to again make Namaskar Mudra. Bend backward as far as you can, keeping your lower body straight. Now bend forward, keeping your back straight as far as possible. Touch your palm on the ground. Try to touch your forehead to your knees. Now extend your left leg as far as possible and feel the stretch on your quadriceps. Keep the knee on the mat. Ensure the right leg is perpendicular to the floor. Now move the right leg in line with the left leg. Put your heels on the floor and move your head downward. At this point, ensure your legs are straight, your back is straight, and feel the stretch on hamstring and calf muscles. Now lift the heels, bring your knees on the mat, slide forward and touch your chest and forehead on the mat, keeping your pelvis above the floor. This is the position of Ashtanga Pranipadasana. From here we will move to Bhujangasana. Flatten your feet, bring the pelvis on the floor and slowly move up. Come up to the navel and take your head back. This is Bhujangasana. Now lift yourself up, heels on the mat and come to the position of Chatushkonasana. Feel the stretch again on hamstring and calf muscles. Initially we had extended the left leg first, so we will bring left leg in the front, making right angle with the floor. Look up. The right knee will be on the floor. From here, come to the Padhastasana position by bringing the right leg also in line with the left one. Touch the forehead to the knee, keeping the knee straight. Now slowly raise your hands and move your upper body. Make it straight and then try to move backward as far as possible, keeping the lower body straight. Slowly come back and move to the original position of Namaskarasana. This completes one cycle of Surya Namaskar. Now we will repeat the Surya Namaskar. This time it will be faster and I will also add the inhalation exhalation instruction. So get ready to practice with me. Normal breathing, initial position of Namaskarasana. Inhale, Urdhva Namaskarasana. Exhale, Padhastasana. Inhale, एक पाद प्रसरणासन. Exhale, Chatushkonasan. Hold the breath and move to Ashtanga Pranipadasana. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Chatushkonasan. Inhale, एक पाद आकर्षणासन. Exhale, Padhastasana. Inhale, Urdhva Namaskarasana and Namaskarasana. Surya Namaskar is a complete exercise. Start with 2 rounds and move up to the ladder up to your capacity. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any comments or queries, please add in the comment box and I will be happy to reply the same. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.